The third hand of the set is to show that another situation that you can use splinters in is after opener makes a rebid. Pass. One heart, 12 to 19 points, may or may not be balanced. Hearts are my longest suit. Pass. Two clubs, 10 plus points. Clubs are my longest suit. Pass. Two hearts, minimum, 12 to 19 points. Hearts are my longest suit. Over my two heart bid, if partner bids two spades, that would be responders reverse, showing 5 clubs, 4 spades, and 11 plus points. Because of that, 3 spades now becomes a splinter, showing a singleton spade, a fit for hearts, probably 3 of them, and a hand that's worthy of investigating. Slam. Over this, I can now cubid 4 diamonds. First round control, denying a first round control in clubs. And over that, my partner has enough information, because they have a singleton spade, to jump to 6 spades, saying, and they don't have a spade void. If they had a spade void, they would bid 4 spades. Bidding the splinter bid again shows they have the void rather than the singleton. Pass, pass, and pass. Now, the lead could have been a trump, but when they lead a diamond, we need to ruff a club, a spade. So we should win the diamond on the table, keeping the ace in our hand. And we should immediately play a spade. And if they come a trump, we'd be happy. So they'll probably play another diamond. And we play small and pray it isn't ruffed. Thank God. Now we can ruff 1 spade. We don't need to ruff the second spade, by the way. The king of diamonds will take care of the other spade. Now what we need to do, we can't cope if north has 4 hearts, but we can cope if south. So we play the queen of hearts, and if everybody follows, we draw the trumps. But when north shows out, sneakily playing a diamond, hoping I won't notice. But luckily I've read the book. When north shows out, I can finesse the heart and draw the trumps. And if we look at the 3 cards, we throw away. The 4 cards, apologies, we throw away. The last 3 tricks will be the ace king of clubs and the king of diamonds in the dummy to make 12 tricks. Always at the start of the hand, you need to think where are your losers and where are your winners. 6 heart tricks, 3 diamonds is 9, and 2 clubs is 11. We only need 1 spade ruff for 12 tricks. We need to be careful to win the diamond early in the dummy, to keep the ace, to ruff 1 spade, and then we need to be careful to play the queen of hearts to establish the 4-0 break. And then we need to finesse and draw the trumps, and they can't stop us from making 12 tricks. Again, 11 working points opposite 14, 25 high card points, and even with a 4-0 break, we can still make 12 tricks. Splinters are what enable you to be able to bid and make these contracts with careful consideration. The final video of the seminar on splinters again gives us a different situation that we can use splinters in. Pass. 2 clubs. Strong game going hand. 23 plus points if unbalanced. If balanced, apologies. And it could be a little bit less if unbalanced. Pass. 2 diamonds. Not necessarily negative, but says it hasn't got a suitable positive. Pass. 2 spades. Strong hand with spades, not just 8 playing tricks. Should be stronger than 8 playing tricks. Pass. 3 clubs would be natural and forcing, or natural with a minimum sort of hand. 4 clubs is a splinter. Singleton and clubs fit for spades. Pass. 4 diamonds. Cubid. First round control. Ace or avoid. Pass. 4 hearts. First round control. Pass. Now, the 4 hearts is likely to be the ace of hearts, because I don't think my partner has a singleton club and a heart void. So the 4 hearts is likely to be the ace of hearts. So with that in mind, I'll jump to 7 spades. Pass, pass, pass. Now, if they lead a trump, which they're likely to do against a Grand Slam if they have one, that might diminish our ability to ruff. But if there's 4 trumps on the table, provided we win in the right hand and use our cards accordingly, we should be able to ruff the 3 club tricks. Now, it's important to note that you might decide it won't make a difference to lead a small heart. But if you lead a small heart to the king or queen, thinking it won't make a difference, you're going to get a nasty shock, 1 down. So we better not do that. You can come back to your hand another way. Can we go back, please? Let's not lead a heart to our hand. Let's ruff a diamond that can't cost. And let's ruff another club. And provided they follow, when we ruff small, they're not going to be able to stop us making this contract. Remember, we know they only have 2 more trumps left, so we can ruff. And we can ruff the diamond and draw the 2 trumps we know they have left, discarding our losers. And now we can claim 3 more tricks, making our Grand Slam. Yes, you're very unlucky that you got a heart ruffed if you let a heart, but you did not need to take that chance. Ruffing a diamond was less likely to be ruffed because you've only 4 diamonds in the dummy rather than 7 hearts between the 2 hands. And if you look at your hand and your partner's hand, they're both extremely unbalanced. Therefore, it's likely that the opponent's hand are extremely unbalanced. Always remember, how do we best play the hand to give us the greatest chance of success?